Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ways to Learn English. My name is Alex, and I'm really glad you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, my name is Lena and I'm learning English with you.
In this podcast, we help you improve your English by listening to real, natural conversations. No pressure, no stress, just calm, clear English that you can enjoy.
And remember, you don't need to understand every single word. Just relax and listen. Your brain is learning even when you don't notice it.
Exactly. Today, we're going to talk about something very simple and very useful. We're going to practice talking about your daily routine.
Your daily routine, like what you do every day.
Yes, the small things you do in your normal day. For example, waking up, eating breakfast, going to work or school, relaxing in the evening.
That sounds helpful. These are things everyone does, so the English is useful for daily life.
Exactly. If you can talk about your daily routine, you can have many simple conversations in English. You can talk to friends. You can talk to coworkers. You can talk to people you meet online.
Sometimes I want to speak, but I don't know what to say. Talking about my day feels easier.
That's a great point. Talking about your routine is a safe and easy topic. You don't need special vocabulary, just simple, everyday English. Okay, first, Lena and I will have a short, natural conversation. Your job is just to listen. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen and relax. So, Lena, how does your day usually start?
Well, I usually wake up around 7 in the morning. The first thing I do is check my phone. Then I make some coffee.
Nice. Are you a morning person?
Not really. I need coffee to feel awake.
I understand. After you drink your coffee, what do you usually do?
I get ready for the day and then I start working on my computer. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast while I work.
That's a nice routine. Do you take breaks?
Yes, I try to take short breaks. If I work too long, I feel tired and unfocused.
That's very smart. Taking short breaks helps you stay focused. And how do you relax in the evening?
In the evening, I like to watch something simple or listen to a podcast. It helps me unwind before I sleep.
That sounds like a good way to end the day. Now, let's look at some useful phrases we just used. Okay,
I said, the first thing I do is check my phone. What does the first thing I do mean?
great question. The first thing I do means the very first action you take when you start something. The first thing I do in the morning is drink water, for example. Or, the first thing I do when I get home is take off my shoes.
That's easy to use. You also asked me, are you a morning person?
Yes, a morning person is someone who feels good and has energy in the morning. If you feel tired in the morning, you can say, I'm not a morning person.
That's me. I'm definitely not a morning person.
Many people feel the same way. Another phrase you used was, I get ready for the day.
Yes. That means I prepare myself. I change my clothes, wash my face, and get ready to work.
To get ready for the day means to prepare yourself for what you will do that day. Exactly.
You also said, taking short breaks helps you stay focused.
Right. To stay focused means to keep your attention on what you are doing. If you feel distracted, it is hard to stay focused.
And at the end, I said podcasts help me unwind.
Yes. To unwind means to relax after working or feeling stressed. You can unwind by listening to music, taking a walk, or watching something calm. Now, let's practice these phrases together. If you can, repeat after me. Say the phrase out loud. Lena will repeat too.
I'm ready.
The first thing I do is check my phone.
The first thing I do is check my phone.
Good. Next one. I'm not a morning person.
I'm not a morning person.
Great. Next phrase. I get ready for the day.
I get ready for the day.
Excellent. Next one. It helps me stay focused.
It helps me stay focused.
And the last one. It helps me unwind.
It helps me unwind.
Very good. That was great practice. How about we listen to one more conversation? This will help you learn even more useful phrases for everyday life.
I'd like that. More listening is always good.
Excellent. Let's listen to a conversation about afternoon and evening routines. Remember, just relax and listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
After work, I usually head home around 5 p.m. The first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes. Excellent. So let's talk about the afternoon. After you finish your work for the day, what does your routine look like?
Usually, I finish work around 5 p.m. After that, I like to head home and relax for a bit.
Saying these phrases out loud helps your brain and your mouth work together. It may feel strange at first, and that's normal. The more you practice, the more natural it feels.
Sometimes I feel shy speaking English, even when the sentences are simple.
That's completely normal. Feeling shy means you care about doing well. But remember, you don't need perfect English to communicate. Simple English is powerful English.
That's comforting. I think I wait too long to be ready.
Most learners do, but you don't become ready first. You become ready by practicing. Small steps, every day.
So it's okay to make mistakes?
It's more than okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake means you are trying. And trying is how you improve. That's a great mindset to have. We've talked a lot about daily routines during the week, but what about weekends, Lena? Weekends are a bit different.
That's true. Weekends are for relaxing. On Saturdays, I like to sleep in.
Sleeping in is the best part of the weekend. I do that too. What about the rest of your Saturday?
In the morning, I usually catch up on errands. You know, grocery shopping, cleaning the house, the boring but necessary things.
I know what you mean. After a long week, it feels good to get things in order. What about your Sunday?
Sundays are my favorite. I really take it easy. I'll read a book, watch a movie, or just listen to music. It's my day to recharge for the week ahead.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. It's so important to have a day to relax. Now, let's explain the new phrases we used. First, Lena said, I like to sleep in. 2. Sleep in means to sleep later than usual. On weekdays, you might wake up at 7 a.m. On the weekend, you might sleep in until 9 or 10 a.m. Next, Lena also said she has to catch up on errands. This phrase means to do all the small but important tasks you didn't have time for during the week. This can be things like grocery shopping, going to the post office, or cleaning. Finally, Lena said, I really take it easy. This is a wonderful phrase. It means to relax and not do anything stressful. When you take it easy, you are giving your mind and body a rest. Now it's your turn. Let's practice speaking. Repeat each phrase after me. I like to sleep in.
I like to sleep in.
I catch up on errands.
I catch up on errands.
I take it easy.
I take it easy.
As we finish today's episode, we want to remind you of something simple. Listening a little every day is better than listening a lot one time a week.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Yes. 10 minutes while you eat breakfast.
And you can listen to the same episode again.
10 minutes while you walk. 10 minutes before you sleep. Little moments add up.
It feels easier the second time.
Exactly. Repetition is powerful. Each time you listen, your understanding grows. Thank you for listening to Episode 2 of Ways to Learn English.
We're really happy you're learning with us.
In the next episode, we'll talk about simple English phrases for greetings and small talk, the kind of English you use when you meet someone new.
So stay with us, keep listening, and keep practicing.
Remember,
You can learn English.
one conversation at a time. See you in the next episode.
And don't forget to subscribe.